The second skill and the second in-demand copywriting service that you can offer to foreign businesses is email marketing. Now, people are going to ask, what's the difference between email copywriting and email marketing? But trust me, if you are in the game, you know what I'm talking about. And what I'm talking about exactly is that email copywriting is the process by which you write the copy for a client and just give it to the client. And that's all. Your job is done. Now, for email marketing, you not only write the copy, but you take that same copy you have written and use it in an email marketing platform where you can help that same client to actually use that platform, that email marketing platform, and send those emails you have written for them. The difference between the two is that in email copywriting, you only write those emails and then send it to the client. And the client will do whatever he wants or she wants with the emails. That's for email copywriting. But for email marketing, you write the emails and then you send it, you use those same emails and use an email marketing platform to send these emails to the client.